Hey babies, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see all the bomb onesies that I picked up from Shein, keep on watching. Alright, so hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Shein haul, so let's transform. Right now I'm just in my bonnet and my robe. I did my lashes, I put on some lipstick. I don't have on anything on my face. For the girls in the back that be trying to say stuff in the back and stuff. I don't know what y'all be saying, but I don't wear all that makeup and stuff. But anyways, let's get into the motherfucking video. Let's see what we got in store for us today. Alright, so I'm recording on 2 phones, so don't mind me, but my package came in. My package came in about a few days ago. So yeah. Really, I need to be looking right here because right here don't really matter. But yeah, my package came in a few days ago and I did not even open it yet. Don't look at my address, but I did not open it. I'm gonna open it up with you guys. I want everything to be raw and uncut for the coolie. I love getting Shein packages. I don't care what other companies. I really enjoy ordering from Shein because it's very affordable and they be cute. Like, shit be cute as fuck. So I am doing a onesie haul. So yeah, let's get into this first onesie, period. And I forgot I ordered all these onesies. Like, I really ordered like 9, but some of them not for you guys, honestly. I'm being 100. Some of them are for my man. Let me just tell you that right now. I'm not going to show y'all everything. Go follow me on Instagram if you want to see. I might post a little sneak peek next week or something. You know, but first my man gotta see. But seriously, I'm gonna show y'all all the onesies except the ones that's for my man. I said what the fuck I said. Who gonna bite me? Okay, so listen, the things I do for YouTube right now, cause listen, my ring light broke. Sorry, my ring light broke. I got this ring light nigga rig right now, so you might see it a little bit. Mind your business. See, I got the nigga rig. Mind your business. So all together I did order 9 sets. I'm only showing you guys 7 because, like I said, it's for my man. My business. It's time to like log into my Shein account right now. So they did leave me a little invoice for all of these. I'll just make sure to put the prices on the screen so you guys can see because I don't got time for that already right now. I'm trying to hurry up. Alright, so the first romper that I'm trying on is the solid halter neck unitard romper. Bam. This it. Y'all was trying to read them because it do got the numbers on there. But yeah. Numbers don't kind of add up here. Shein. Maybe I'm reading wrong, but none of these numbers match. So yeah, carry on. I'll add everything in the description. Okay, so this is the first romper. Pretty simple, basic romper. It is all black. You know me, you know my favorite color. Oh, I didn't put my necklace on. That's so ghetto. Hold on. All right, so yeah, that looks better. So yeah, for this one, it is the solid, I guess a solid black romper with a halter top. Sit back yourself. Look at my Nikki tattoo. Don't play with that. But yeah, so it's just a basic little romper. Let me see if I can back up and show you. And it's so cute. I got this in a size small. I'm really small, so I decided to get small and extra small. I didn't get no like mediums or nothing. Cause with Shein, sometimes it run big, sometimes it run a little small, yeah. But yeah, it's very comfortable. You know me, I gotta make sure it's workable. You already know, ain't you seen the video? But yeah, I like this one. Super cute. You know, you in a club, you know how I do. I know what I be doing. Yeah, I like this one. This is number 1, okay? Number one. Don't look at my boobs. Don't look at all that. Don't look at that. So y'all know me. I decided to put my glasses on. And it is giving like sexy schoolgirl. Sexy schoolgirl, sexy teacher. All of that. Okay, so this is the next one. Oh, I like this one. This is the leopard one. It's like a halter top. Y'all know these my favorite kind of right here. Cause you could but seriously though, you keep twerking. Very twerkable. It's really cute. Like, look at this. She the sister. And guess what? They match my glasses. These my real glasses too, so I'm finna be giving. You said what to me, bitch? I didn't think so. I didn't think you said anything to me. But I like it. I don't have on no waist train. I don't have on nothing. I'm just naked under here, but a thong. That's it. I really like it. It's very simple. Yeah. All right. You know the motherfucker vibes. Right. So another light in this bag, y'all, but I'm doing the best that I can. Okay. So sorry about it. So this is the next one. Kind of like a halter. What is it called? Turtleneck. Mini turtleneck. It do zip up in the back. You know, I'm a onesie girl. I really enjoy a nice onesie, okay? Because you can put it on, get out the door. Alright, but you can put it on, you can get out the door real fucking quick. Comfortable. I like to be comfortable. I'm not trying to be walking in there like this and stuff. That ain't for me. You got to do all that. You have fun with that. I'm not doing all that. But yeah, so it's a really simple. Let me show you guys the pattern. Look at the pattern on my titties. It's really nice, really nice. And all these were like $10. Like, come on, stop playing with Shein. Alright, so this one. This one actually was for my mans, but I'm gonna show y'all. It ain't the one a lot, so I'm gonna show y'all. But you can see from the top, it says vibes. My titties look good in this. Don't be looking a little saggy today. Anyways, so yes, I still kept on my penis, even though I got that wax, that Brazilian. But no, seriously, don't want you two to flag my video. You know how YouTube adore you. I like it. It's just like, of course I would wear this with like pants or something, but it's just a onesie. Like I said, I kept on my pennies. Look at the back. Oh, I'm so cute. Look at the back. Look at the back. Look at it. I can do the fucking holler shaking this shit, bro. I can do the motherfucking holler shaking this bitch. Bitch, I can do the motherfucking chicken head. How you don't want to see me with that fucking chicken head, bitch. Alright, I need to calm down. I'm too hyped today. I decided to show y'all one. I really like this. Y'all know me. I'm all about a vibe. Like I said, you really wear this with pants. I'm finna wear this to the beach though. Shit, what y'all gonna tell me? This is a bathing suit today. Yeah, this is a bathing suit. Look out for that haul next. But this is clearly a bathing suit. But yeah, I like this one. Simple, black. Y'all know black my favorite color. Y'all know favorite color. Y'all know black. Yeah. Alright, next one. Okay, what I can say is out of all of them, this is my favorite one. And I hope somebody's taking me on a date, because I want to wear this. Alright. It is so cute. I wish I could see in a mirror over here, but you will see once I insert the clips. Or just go follow me on Instagram, because I'm going to put a little TikTok. And follow me on TikTok. The real China B underscore Instagram. The real China B on TikTok. But I'm going to post all this on it. So, yes. This is my favorite one. Look at the details. Y'all know I'm a leopard girl. I'm a cheetah girl. You know, I've been a cheetah girl since I was like 6. But anyways. So, this has one sleeve. And this is perfect for, you know, since it's spring. Or it's winter, but spring won't fight back. Stand up, okay? Let us have a good little piece of heat for once. But then on those days that it decides I want to be cold and hot, you can wear this. Because you can have one long sleeve, one arm out. All of these are onesies. I know y'all sick and tired of me saying onesie. But it's a onesie haul. It's twerkable. Don't let them play with you. It's twerkable. Okay. Definitely twerkable. It's so cute. It goes so cute with my hair. Look at my hair and look at this outfit. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. See how easy one of these are? You just put it on and go. Like, you get the fuck on. I really enjoyed this one. The print is so pretty. I hope I get to wear all these because y'all know I be in the house. That's why I like onesies, because I be in the house. But I'm trying to be outside this summer. I'm trying to come get snatched up from outside. Like, bitch, come on, let's go. You done had enough being with these hoes. You coming with me. That's the type of time I need my nigga to be on. Come snatch me up with my friends. Oh, come snatch me out of the club with my friends. Yeah, I'm gonna suck that dick. But anyway, I've been talking too much. This is the back. Just regular, schmeckler deckler. And yeah, again, look at my Nikki tattoo. I'm trolling right now, but the queen of sleeves, to be exact. But I like this one. Okay, so I'm gonna tell y'all the truth right now. The last two, in a diff file, right? In a diff file. The last two, they the same. They just different colors. So I'm gonna show you guys those two real quick, and that's gonna conclude our haul because I gotta clock in like an hour, less than an hour, and I'm so sad about it because I'm so tired of working. But this is why I'm doing this, so I can get off the other folks' job and make my own money. You know, make my own money. But yeah, make sure you give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. We almost done, y'all. We almost done. You made it this far, you're a real OG, triple OG, and I fucks with you. And I want to kiss you, and I want to have sex with you. Alright, and don't worry, y'all. I promise you this time I'm gonna put the prices and the sizes when I edit the video. I promise. I'll put them on the screen. Alright, so this is the last one that I got. It's just a super duper regular romper. To show you the materials. Look at the materials. I like it. I like it. I'm not really a yellow girl. I like yellow on my skin though, but I don't really wear a lot of yellow. You know, I really gotta find somewhere to wear this. But super cute for the summer, for the spring. The back. Okay, let's get into the back. Ooh, y'all know I like a little back action, little shoulders. Okay, show them shoulders off. It is so cute, like so comfortable. I don't care what nobody say. Y'all can do them whole hauls where y'all put on a shirt, jeans, heels, this, that. Go ahead, that's you. But I'm a onesie type of bitch. Love them. But I really like it. It's super nice, super comfortable. This one is in an extra small. See what I'm saying? You gotta get it with Shein. You gotta make sure it fit. Cause baby, it don't be fitting all the time. Even the extra small sometimes you're a little too big. Like how the anyways. I like this one. This giving, let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. They say what they gonna say. Have a drink, clink. Bad bitches like me, it's hard to come back to Patron. Let's go get it on. Make a 2, 3. I'm on the floor. Alright. I know it's 6 tired of me twerking. And I'm having a ball today because today is a really good day for me. Good day. We're meant to fly, hands up and touch the sky. Can't do it one last time. Ooh, starship, we're meant to fly. Alright, oh, we gotta twerk. It's just crazy around here. Alright, so the last one, like I said, is the same as the other one. It is just green. Okay, I think I might keep this one on because need all that money look till I can get this year. Okay. Excuse me. So, oh, I like this. It's look real nice with the green and I look real cute. But yeah, my hair is giving, really giving what it needs to get today. Finally, but Yes, same as the other one. Green. I'm losing my booty off, but I ain't even gonna crap it. I ain't gonna crap it. I ain't gonna crap it. I ain't gonna crap it. Not on camera. Real OG, triple OG, fucking crap. But anyway, see that toxic coming out. Same thing. Back out. Nikki's head. And fat ass, bad bitch, ass fat, 20 inch, not 40, 20 inch hip, Camel so fat you can see it, see that shit from the back. Ooh, that thing's so big. Go bad bitch, 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 go. So the king with the 30 hair, lame ass so you can't compare. Alright. Alright, so if you've made it this far into the video, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget this video a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to be a part of the fam. I really enjoyed this haul. Y'all know, like I said, I'm a onesie girl. I'm the onesie queen. I really enjoyed all these. I'm gonna keep this one on. Gotta run to the store real quick. And like I said, don't forget this video a like, comment down below, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure I leave everything in the description, or leave everything posted in the video about the sizes and the prices. Everything really was like under $10. I promise. I promise. And also, let me throw this at the end. Didn't want to tell you guys this yet, but I'm gonna put y'all up on game. Go look in the afterpay. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna talk about it more in my next video. Maybe 2 more videos over. Can't give y'all free game right now. I give y'all way too much free game all the time. So go get these onesies. Check out afterpay, and don't forget to like this video. Give it a comment down below. Love you ladies, and I'll see you in my next video.
You ain't fuck me, you fuck the old body. With their heads